Good evening, Nick and classmates. This is this is the second audio journal, and we talk about the manners. Manners is a term usually preceded it would good or bad indicate whatever or not behavior is socially acceptable. Every culture adheres to the different sets of manners, although a lot of manners are cross-culturally common. Manners are subset of social norms, are informally enforced through as self-regulations, and social policing and public performance also is a code of behavior that delineates conventional norms within a society, social class, or group. These categories are based on the outcome rated of the motivation of manners for behavior and individual manage behavior into two or more categories. For example, the first, hygiene manners, hygiene manners, are any manners with defect disease transmission that are likely to be taught at the early age, primarily through parental discipline, positive behavioral enforcement, and containings with the bodily fluids, such as a toilet training, for example. Maybe we have when we stay in the kindergarten, this is the principal topic of the knowledge of this, and the avoids or removal items and stop disease risks for children. Other group maybe we have the courtesy manners. Demonstrates one ability to put the interest to other before oneself, to display self-control, and good intent in the purposes of being trusted in social interactions. Courtesy manners help to maximize the benefits of the group living in regulating social interaction. Disease avoidance behavior can sometimes be compromised in the performance of courtesy manners. And the last, maybe we have pronunciated the cultural norm manners. Typically demonstrates one's identity within a specific social cultural group. There is a cultural norm manners allows the demarcation of social cultural identities and the creation of boundaries which inform who to be trusted or who is deemed as other. Cultural norms manners are learned through to the encultured traditions and routinizations of the familiar through exposure to otherness. Or those are very identified as foreign or different. Maybe this happens when the people of other countries, the migrations, maybe maybe can try to practice the same manners in the other country. In the other country, with the traditions are a lot of difference with this. And with this, maybe transgressions and not adherence to cultural norms manners commonly result in alienation. Of that is a other topic. In the cultural norms, we there very natural have a high level of between group variability, but are likely to be common to all. And what is the manners of the all country in the all society we have to live, and that is depends of what is depends of how many manners we acquire in our society, and we looking to approve to the other persons, and those who identify with giving group identity. Uh, okay, good. Have a good night, teachers Nick and classmates. This was my second random journal. Have a good night.